Okay, explain me. What are these numbers satisfying?
So we are making 612 wheel horsepower, which is around 765 brake horsepower, and 1000 Newton meter torque.
Wow. 1000 guys, 1000 Newton meter. That's the beauty of Project A and our Blaze exhaust system. Hope you guys, if you guys want performance, if you guys want sound, get us in contact. We make the magic for you guys, alright? So guys, you heard right from Project A. We are producing 765 horsepower with this limousine, right? This is a family car. This is a car that you can daily, you can bring your wife, your kids, even your dog, or anything you want to go shopping. And it's 765 horsepower. That's a huge amount in the car industry, right? So basically, the client has a small request that he wanted more sound, more rumble, more thunder sound from the V8. We done it, right? When he didn't expect that the horsepower has gained so much just with the tune from Project A. And with our exhaust, with the add-on in, it's like the perfect combination. It's like when you buy a spaghetti, you want Italian to cook for you. When you buy a pizza, you want pepperoni, you want cheese. It's the best mixture. So when you guys buy an exhaust, we highly recommend you guys to tune it and get it dyno, and you will enjoy the maximum performance out of these two modification. You can enjoy the max of it. 765 horsepower limousine, family limousine. Enjoy guys.